Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today what I'll be doing is on a buddy's car installing a Berger intake. It's super simple, super easy. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to remove the intake cover. There's 6 hex screws. You remove that, remove the tie, connect it and put it back. We are not deinstalling all this at all. We're just installing the intake in here. What I'm going to do is have him rev the engine at the same time so you can hear the pre-sound and after install sound, and we'll do some drive-by as well. So stay tuned. Literally about a foot away from the car right now. Rev the engine and see how it sounds so you guys can hear it. Okay, so this is the standard sound for the car. It's a 5 Series 535 all-wheel drive BMW. What we're gonna do now is turn it off, change the intake system, and then I'll do a sound clip and then also do a drive on the sound clip to see if it's how it is. And we'll see, is the Berger intake really worth it or not, and how the car feels. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so here we are now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use a T25 head. And you can do it with a screwdriver, you can do it with an electric gun, whatever you're gonna use. We're gonna remove 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then what you also have to do is remove this with a flathead so it can come up. Once it comes out, basically the way Berger is set up is you remove the top cover, you set the new intake in, and then you tie it down so it doesn't move, but all this tubing and stays in. The inlet pipes all stay in. I know some of you might have done where the inlet pipe is removed and all that, because I believe that comes from all the way, goes underneath and comes up to here for cold air intake and stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna remove this, and then we'll go from there. It's a very quick, the video might be long because I'm taking it step by step, but it's maybe like a 5-minute process. So we're gonna clean this a little bit. You can do this with a vacuum if you want to, or air or something if you, but it seems like this is not that dirty, so we're just gonna leave it alone. And over time it's going to get dirty because it's going to stay open like this. What Berger is it comes like this. This is the Berger intake. Basically this comes off. I've already assembled this clip. You can see this is a flathead, and then this one goes on there because this is what's going to hold it in place so it doesn't flying off sometime. So what we're going to do is we're going to install this in here, set it up here, and use the hole back here to do this. So we're gonna put this here like it sits. Let me move this back. Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a sound clip video for you now, and then we're gonna do a drive-by video on this spot. Revving the engine between 2 to 4, 4,500 RPM, so you guys can hear the sound and see for yourself the difference it makes on the sound, or if it doesn't make a difference. So here we go. So from my point of view, and not being biased towards it or against it, I hear a little bit of a hissing sound around 4,000 RPM. I've done it a few times. Okay guys, so that was a very quick install video for installing the Berger intake on a 535 BMW F10. I'll let you guys be the judge. Leave the comments down below if you think it's worth it, the performance changes, or the sound clip is a little different. Thank you guys.